Traditional Haleem quick recipe. Wheat oats, ½ cup. Masoor Ki Daal Washed, ½ cup. Masoor Ki Daal, ½ cup. Chilli Ki Daal Washed, ½ cup. Barley Oats, ½ cup. Soak for overnight. Soak Chanay ki dal separately. Soak Chanay ki dal. Salt. Turmeric powder. Cook under steam in pressure cooker. Oil 1 cup. Onion 1 medium. Chicken 1.5 kilogram. Garlic cloves, 10 to 12. Salt as per taste. Turmeric, ½ teaspoon. Red chili powder 1 tablespoon. Water, ½ cup. Cook under steam for 5 to 8 minutes. Blend boiled, soaked dals. Remove bones from chicken and add in dal. Cook while mixing. Ginger and green chilies. Mix spices, 1 tablespoon. Black peppers, ½ tablespoon. Garnish with fried onion, lemon slices, green chili and ginger. What a taste! Watch quickly, cook properly, eat healthy.